Hey guys, do you have some bad sounds coming from your power steering? Do you get that irritating every time you drive? I can help with that. Let me show you what can happen and how to fix it. Power steering sounds weird. Get a little rev. It's smooth. Smooth as can be. This may need replaced. All right, I'm back out here working on the Passat 2004. I think it's a B5.5 is what they call it. I got some noise coming out of the power steering pump. And as you can see, the power steering pump's pretty much brand new. So what it's doing is it's actually called cavitating. What it's doing, cavitation, is your pump will whine almost like it's low on fluid. And then it will actually like overflow your reservoir. See there how it's overflowed the reservoir? Now this hasn't been ran for today, but what it would do is it was actually foaming this up. This would literally look like chocolate milk or something in here, and it would foam and come out and overflow and go on the ground. And so what I think was happening, if you see that right there, that's the intake hose. This goes directly to the tank, and I think we had something here. And now on the pressure side of the pump, it would leak, you know, if it had a leak. But on this intake side, if it sucks in, like let's say this has a little crack in the hose, it would actually let it suck in air, which would then cause it to cavitate and kind of go, but it wouldn't be like normal power steering. It would foam up and leak out over here. So I'm gonna replace this hose. I got a new one right here. I'm gonna put some new clamps on it and let's see how it goes. Okay, there we go, off with the old. And boy, this thing was hard as a brick. It's not flexible. And I got the new one put on there. There's the new one. Some new clamps, even though they're a little bit long, I got them tightened up. So now, let me put this coil pack back on there. Give it a try. Well, there she is, running nice and quiet. Got my new hose on there. No more power steering noises. No more foam out of here. It's all good. She's nice and quiet now. So, remember, if your power steering's going rant, 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 it could be a bad pump, or it could be sucking in air. If you look at your fluid and it's foaming up. So, just a tip. All right, well, there you go. That seemed to take care of the issue. So again, as a wrap up, if you hear that rah, rah noise, it could be your power steering pump. First thing you want to do, check your fluid, see if you're low. If your fluid looks good, does your fluid look like chocolate milk, or does it look like, you know, fluid? You know, just regular hydraulic fluid or power steering fluid. If it looks normal, your power steering pump could be going bad. If you're low, obviously add some to it. Make sure you look up the correct stuff. But if it's foaming up in any way on the suction side of the pump, it probably has a leak. So anyways, there you go. This is just a quick video. Thanks for coming to the channel. Enjoy the ride.